Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be doing fine inside your homes. It is pandemic that is building pressure on the entire globe, and UT of J&K is never an exception. Life is fully disturbed. No, no doubt it's partially going on, but peace is nowhere seen. This deadly infection is affecting people with a with an alarming rate. People are dying because of this novel virus. Still, no medication is possible. Better move is to remain in home isolation, stick to the book so that you can benefit yourself in dual ways. One, you will defeat the COVID 19 infection by remaining in home isolation and also can prepare yourself as well for the coming examinations because shortly you are submitting the examination forms of class 10th, 11th, and 12th. Dear students, yesterday a student from our locality who's enrolled in our school named Khurshid called me to make us learn the brief summary of the poem The Sunrise. Dear students, I'm not English teacher at all. My field of teaching is different. But because of non-availability of English teacher in our school, I am shouldering the task to teach you English to some extent so that you may get something from me and you will get some hints. It is better to learn these things from the subject specialized teacher. Dear students, Sunrise poem is written by Padma Sajdev of Jammu. She was Dogri poet. She served Dogri literature very nicely. She was born in 1940 in a Dogri family, but that family was educated family. Her father was a very good Sanskrit scholar. Poetess, this poem was later on translated by the Dr. Karan Singh in English. The poetess Padma Sajdev says, there is no fixed time for sunrise. There is no fixed time for sunrise. She boldly says, whenever it rises, it is the sunrise. The poem starts with this. The summary of the poem is like this. It is late afternoon. The sun is not visible because all over there are clouds all over the sky. Overcast is there all over the sky. Sky is angry with the sun because it is now getting late. It is afternoon. Sun is about to set. Still, sun is not rising. The sky is showing its angriness by thundering, by lighting. But actually, when no clouds were there, the sky was clear. The sky was cleared. Sky got cleared finally. That sun became visible. It displayed its full brightness. So, in the late afternoon, the sunlight turned fully visible and bright. It is the sunrise for the Padma Sajdev. She, a school teacher, when a student comes late, he compares the rising of sun with the student who comes late to the school. For example, if it is 10 a.m., a student has entered in the school, he reaches the school at 10:30 a.m. The schoolmaster shows angriness. Just sky shows angriness. Here the schoolmaster is personified. This is personified as sky. Or the sky is personified as schoolmaster. The schoolmaster shows his anger by asking, was not your slate clean? Had you not enough to eat, you came late to the school. The student gets ashamed by the angriness or by the attitude of a teacher. The Padma Shri Sajdi wants a message because there is no fixed time for sunrise. Same, there is no fixed time for showing intellectuality. Any time, at any time, one can show his intellectuality, one can show his full intelligence. So the schoolmaster should avoid these things. If a student comes late to the school, he might be tomorrow a very good intellectual. This harsh attitude a school teacher should leave because there is also a sudden burst of things about which nobody knows. Just there is no fixed time for sun to rise when but when it rises late the sky shows angriness. But when a student comes late to the school, the schoolmaster shows angriness by throwing some harsh words on students. Padma Shri Padma Sajdev wants to say that school teachers, schoolmasters should leave this attitude because there is no set time for showing intellectuality or showing complete display of human brain. Dear students, it's a very good message. It is the summary of the poem. What Padma Shri wants to tell us through this poem. Dear students, before leaving class, I'm advising you do see these things on your available English reference book. If any sort of confusion strikes your mind, you can call me on 7006671106, and when you call me within short time, your query shall be answered. But do concentrate on self-study. It's better for you. Thanks. Be well, I said.